Hey guys, welcome to Delightful and Delicious. My name is Stephanie and I am so glad that you are here. Now today we're going to be making something that is super easy, super fast, and super delicious. We're making shrimp scampi. Now this is one of those dishes where you're going to need to have all of your stuff prepped before you get started because this moves really fast. So go ahead and get all of your things prepped. I have the ingredients listed down in the description box and let's go ahead and get into it. All right, so now we already have a pot of boiling water that's been salted. We're gonna go ahead and drop our pasta. I'm using linguine. I like to use either a linguine or a spaghetti when I'm doing shrimp scampi. We're gonna go ahead and drop our pasta. We're gonna heat up our pan with our olive oil and get our shrimp going. Heat 3 tablespoons of olive oil in a pan that's on medium-high heat. Pat your shrimp dry to remove all the moisture. Season with salt and pepper, and then add them to your pan. Work in batches if necessary to make sure that you don't overcrowd your shrimp. Cook your shrimp for about 1.5 minutes on the first side. You want to form a nice brown color, and your shrimp should be cooked about halfway through. Then turn them over and cook them for about another minute. Don't overcook them or your shrimp will be tough and chewy. Once your shrimp are done, remove them from the pan and set aside. Now turn your heat down to medium, add your remaining olive oil, and saute your garlic, shallots, and chili pepper flakes until they become nice and fragrant. This is going to take about 2 minutes. Next, we're going to add in our dry white wine. I like to use a Sauvignon Blanc, but you can use a Chardonnay or a Pinot Grigio would be a good choice. We're going to then stir and then let this reduce by 1/3, which is going to take a couple of minutes. Add 1/2 teaspoon of salt and pepper. Now add your butter in 1 tablespoon at a time. This needs to be cold butter straight from the refrigerator, and make sure you're whisking it vigorously. This is going to prevent your sauce from breaking and also help thicken your sauce. Now add in your fresh lemon juice, your shrimp, your fresh parsley, and the zest of 1 lemon. Guys, make sure that you don't get the white part in because that's bitter and you don't want that in your sauce. Give everything a good stir and turn the heat off your pan. Now add in your pasta, stir everything together, and you are ready to plate this baby up. Guys, this looks so good. Now I like to add a little bit of fresh parsley on top, and then I also add a few lemon wedges around the plate. Okay guys, here we are, all done. In 10 minutes, we have a delicious, flavorful dish that anybody can make. Now I'm just gonna take a little taste. Get a little bit of this shrimp here. That is so good. You can taste the little bit of lemon zest that we put in there at the end just to add that little bit of kick. Those chili pepper flakes add just the right amount of spice. You put as much in as you like or leave it out, it's optional. The shrimp are done just to perfection. This is super delicious. It's better than what you can get at a restaurant, you guys, and you know what you put in it. So, as always, the ingredients are listed down below in the description box. All of the ingredients and directions are on our website at delightfulanddelicious.com. You guys, if you are not already subscribed, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button and notification bell so you know every time we upload a video. And until next time, whenever you're in the kitchen, make sure you're keeping it delightful and delicious. Cheers, guys. See you next time.